Have you ever had something happen and you thought, this is terrible. Why would God allow this? And then later, days, months, even years later, you look back and realized it protected you. Today's story is one of the most famous and most thought-provoking stories in Islamic tradition. It's the story of Musa, also known as Moses, and a mysterious teacher named Khidr. It isn't just a story about miracles. It's a story about patience, trust, and the idea that we don't always see the full picture. Musa was a strong leader. He stood up to Pharaoh, guided his people, and carried a heavy responsibility. He had great knowledge and confidence. One day, Musa is asked a question that leads into a lesson. Are you the most knowledgeable person on earth? Musa answers from his perspective. He is a prophet. He has revelation. He has experience. But he is reminded of something important. God's knowledge is infinite, and human knowledge, no matter how great, will always be limited. Musa is told that there is someone out there who has a kind of knowledge Musa doesn't have, someone taught by God in a different way. That person is Khidr. So Musa decides he has to meet him. He wants to learn. He begins a long journey, showing that even great people must sometimes become students again. Eventually, Musa finds Khidr. Khidr isn't surrounded by crowds or attention. He's calm, quiet, and serious. Musa approaches him with respect and says, "Can I follow you so you can teach me what God has taught you?" Khidr replies, "You won't be able to stay patient with me." Musa insists, "You will find me patient, God willing." Khidr agrees, but he sets one condition, one rule. Do not question anything I do until I explain it to you. Musa agrees, and then they travel together, and the lessons begin. They come across poor people who own a small boat. These people don't have much, yet they are kind. They let Musa and Khidr ride with them for free. The boat is simple, but it's important. It's their livelihood. They depend on it to survive. Everything seems calm until Khidr suddenly damages the boat. Not completely, but enough to make it faulty. Musa is shocked. He forgets the agreement and speaks immediately. "Why would you do that? These people helped us. Are you trying to ruin them?" Khidr looks at Musa and says calmly, "Didn't I tell you that you wouldn't be patient with me?" Musa realizes he reacted too quickly. He apologizes and says, "Please don't hold it against me. I forgot." They continue. Later they meet a young boy, and then Khidr does something even more difficult to witness. He ends the boy's life. Musa is stunned. This feels completely wrong. He can't hold it in. He says, "How could you do that? How could you take an innocent life?" Again, Khidr replies calmly, "Didn't I tell you that you wouldn't be able to stay patient with me?" Musa is shaken, but he tries one more time. He says, "If I question you again after this, then you can leave me." Khidr accepts, and they continue. Then they arrive in a town. Musa and Khidr are tired and hungry, so they ask the people for food, for simple hospitality. But the people refuse, coldly. Musa and Khidr walk through the town with nothing. Then they pass by a wall that is about to collapse, and Khidr starts repairing it. He fixes it and strengthens it. Even though the people of this town were rude and refused to help them, Musa watches and thinks, "Why would you help these people after how they treated us?" So Musa says, "At least you could have asked them for payment. We could have used it to buy food." The moment Musa says it, he realizes he questioned again. Khidr stops and says, This is where we part ways. Musa is silent. Then Khidr says, "Now I will explain what you could not be patient about." First, Khidr explains the boat. He says the boat belonged to poor people who depended on it for their living. And nearby, there was a powerful ruler who would seize any good boat he found. If the boat looked strong and valuable, it would be taken from them. So Khidr damaged it slightly, not to destroy it, but to make it look unworthy to steal. What looked like harm was actually protection. Second, Khidr explains the boy. He says that the boy, if he grew older, would become a source of great pain and spiritual harm for his parents. Parents who were good and faithful people. In God's knowledge, the boy would grow into someone who would drag them into suffering and hardship. So God willed that the boy's life would end early, and that the parents would be given another child, one who would be better for them and a mercy for their future. This lesson is heavy because it reminds us that there are outcomes we can't see. There are realities beyond what we know in the moment. Third, Khidr explains the wall. He says that under the wall was a treasure meant for 2 orphan boys in that town. Their father was a righteous man, and God wanted those orphans to reach adulthood and safely claim what was rightfully theirs. If the wall collapsed too soon, the treasure would be discovered and stolen. So Khidr repaired the wall for free, so the treasure would remain hidden and protected until the orphans were old enough. Even in a town full of rude people, God was still caring for 2 children who had no one. Khidr ends by saying, he did not do these things on his own. He acted by God's guidance. And that's the end of their journey. Musa leaves with something deeper than new information. He leaves with humility, with patience, and with a stronger understanding that human judgment is limited, while God's wisdom is complete. So what do we take from this story? First, you don't always have the full context. You see one moment. God sees the entire timeline. Second, some delays are protection. Some closed doors are mercy. Some disappointments save you from something you never saw coming. Third, patience doesn't mean pretending things don't hurt. It means staying grounded. When you don't understand, it means trusting that wisdom can exist, even when you can't see it yet. Not everything that feels bad is truly bad, and not everything that feels good is truly good. Sometimes, the meaning becomes clear later, and if you've ever looked back on a hard moment and realized it protected you, then you already understand the heart of this story. Be careful with quick judgments, because mercy can be hidden inside what you don't understand yet.